Here we have a 2018 BMW 330e M Sport Shadow Edition. Now with this vehicle you do get four 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition as you can see just there, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. We have got a full M Performance kit on this vehicle, which includes the side skirts, front splitter, rear splitter and the rear spoiler as well. We've got the black kidney grills at the front. How great does it look from that front end? The paint colour is actually a BMW individual tanzanite blue, which looks absolutely superb. We've then got our second 19-inch alloy wheel. Again, excellent condition. You may notice we have got a charging port just there, as this is a hybrid vehicle, so you will get very low running costs when driving this about. We've got our black wing mirror, colour-coded door handles, black trim around the windows of the privacy glass for the rear passengers, shark fin antenna on top. There's a quick look at that interior whilst we're working our way around. We've then got our third alloy wheel. As we come to the rear, we've got our spoiler just there. We've then got our black rear diffuser, dual exit exhaust on the left. Now I'll show you the boot space as well. There we go, great size boot in here for whatever you may need. Storage net on the right, charging cables on the left. And as you can see, the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Then there's a closer look at that last alloy wheel. Right, if we go on to the interior next, we'll start at the rear. We have got a full leather interior, the 3 seats in the back here. ISO fixed points within the seats, got the fold down armrest in the middle. On our doors here we've got our integrated speakers, electric window controls and the brushed metal handle. Plenty of leather as well, really luxurious feel. Coming into the front we've got that same full leather interior yet again. On the doors we've got our premium uprated Harman Kardon sound system, electric window controls, electric wing mirrors. We've got this lovely carbon effect, silver carbon effect trim throughout as well. Now stepping inside, we have got keyless start, so you can press start just there, and with it being a hybrid it is very quiet, it won't actually turn the engine on just yet. We've then got our multifunctional steering wheel with different controls like speed limiter, cruise control, phone controls, volume controls, paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of your gears, auto wipers on the right, auto high beam assist on the left. As you can see, the vehicle itself has covered just over 34,600 miles and we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Coming into the middle we've got our infotainment screen. You can see we've got navigation on display at the moment. We've then got different forms of media connectivity like DAB, FM, AM radio. We've also got CD, Bluetooth audio and USB as well. We do have phone connectivity too, so we can make calls and listen to music. We do also have different modes. We've got things like Sports Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro, so you can pick which one of those best suits your driving style at the time. If we put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we've got a front and rear visual display of our sensors just there as well. Now back into park. If we make our way down, we've got stereo controls just here with traffic alerts on the left, dual zone climate control, so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently, with ice cold air conditioning and convenient shortcuts like max AC. We've then got some additional storage space. We've got 2 good sized cup holders, 12 volt connectivity. We've got our traction control, different mode selects, a button for our parking sensors to turn them off. We've got our eDrive button just there as well. So you can see we've got the different options like auto eDrive, max eDrive or save battery. We've then got our shortcuts and control wheel for the infotainment screen, as well as a soft touch leather armrest which does also double up as storage. And you can actually move that forward like so as well. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, and it's also HPI clear. The next MOT is actually due in June of 2022, and one last thing to add is we do also have the heads-up display just there as well. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 330e M Sport Shadow Edition. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. As a viewer, I would suggest you listen out for any sounds, any knocks, any bangs, and really just treat this experience as if you were here with me in the car today. Now we've got our cruise control and speed limiter on our steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll simply press cruise, push up on the trigger like so, and we're now cruising at our current speed. To deactivate this, I can simply press cruise control again or apply pressure to the brakes. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 7th gear, down to 6th, 5th, 4th, 5th, 6th, 5th, 4th, and 3rd. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now we've got plenty of great features in here. The infotainment screen has plenty of ways to connect your devices to listen to music. You can make calls from it, you've got your satellite navigation, and of course that all ties in with your premium Harman Kardon sound system that you get in here as well. The audio in here is absolutely phenomenal. But like I said, plenty of great features. You've got your different driving modes. You can change between Sports Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. It's great to have that versatility. It's also incredibly comfortable in here as well. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last year and a half as well. Now we are a 5-star dealership too. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites such as Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now you can find us on social media as well. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok as well. So make sure to follow us on any of those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate the reverse works as it should. So I'm turning in just now. Emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Very sharp on the brakes just there. Straight into reverse. No problems at all. We've got a visual display of our front and rear sensors on the screen just there as well. And our one last test as we are about to go for a speed bump. There we go, no knocks or bangs throughout this whole journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome if you just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, the video walk around or this video test drive, again feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That's all from me today. I hope you found this video useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.